If you're a fan of the Serial podcast or have been following the Adnan Syed case, there's a new development. The Maryland Court of Appeals issued a decision today essentially ordering a do-over of the hearing that vacated Syed's conviction last fall. Syed was convicted of murdering his ex-girlfriend Haymon Lee back in 2000, but that conviction was vacated last October when former Baltimore City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby said her office conducted this lengthy investigation and uncovered new evidence that undermined that conviction. However, Haymon Lee's brother, Young Lee, said his rights were violated when he wasn't given enough time to attend that hearing in person. He lives in California. He said the state only gave him 1 business day's notice before they held that hearing. Today, the Maryland Court of Appeals issued its decision in a 2-1 ruling. It sided with Lee. The judge wrote, because the court violated Mr. Lee's right to notice of and his right to attend the hearing on the state's motion to vacate, we have the power and obligation to remedy that injury. They say that remedy is a new legally compliant, transparent hearing on the motion to vacate where Mr. Lee is given notice of the hearing that is sufficient to allow him to attend in person. The court said the mandate wouldn't go into effect for another 60 days to allow both parties time to process how they want to proceed. It's still unclear whether Syed will be required to go back to prison in the interim. We did reach out to both sides. The city state's attorney told us they're still reviewing this decision and that they'll let the appeals process play out. Syed and his legal team could now appeal this decision to the Supreme Court of Maryland. And we also contacted Lee's attorney for their response, and we're still waiting to hear back.